Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, so in today's presentation, I will be presenting about my designs, how I make them, and also just what philosophies and things that I put into them to make them as good as they are. These are some of my designs here, as you can see in the presentations, including the presentation itself, of course. I didn't take a template here, and uh, I will be showing you how I make them in Figma. Well, you may ask, what is Figma exactly, and what software, what kind of design software is it? So let's just start. What is Figma? Figma in here in this description, in the context of Figma, pre-designed templates, mockups, and or kits used to showcase its UI UX designs in a professional way. So basically, Figma is an application that you can use online for free in the internet is a uh, community-driven uh, design design-based thing. So you can basically make a design and collab with other people, maybe a team even of a lot of people. Even though you have to pay for the very big one for more than like 5 people, I think. So basically, in this uh, application or website, uh, you can make designs like these ones for with other people and with uh, very simple features, uh, and that's basically it for the inspiration. It's kind of a lot to explain everything, but let's continue to the next slide. I will be explaining more as we go on. And this is the project name UIX Mockup. This mockup design uh, is the poster of my actual project that is very quite big. It's a phone app. It's my biggest project. Basically, a phone app yeah, for Muslims to do their ibadah and uh, face them or even uh, note them for themselves. And the name of the app is Islamia Plus Digital Companion. This is a uh, very simple project for an app. Basically, just uh, an app that can scroll and then change and that has apps inside it. And this is basically Muslim Pro, but I made it Islamia Plus Digital Companion. I just followed that kind of concept. And as you can see, Figma also is able to simulate and also basically show uh, um, uh, a simulation of websites or of apps applications. So you can make animations, even though very basic animations. You can basically, as an example for the developer writer to make an app into reality, you can make in Figma, and the developer just needs to copy the designs to the actual project. And the next the next slide is about this. This is one of my first projects in Figma, and it's very simple. Basically, I combine these three pictures into one picture, and the result is I use mask for this project, and masking is basically the feature where you can put um, put a vector or some type of thing in front of something and a trace where you want to have it seen or something like that. And basically, I just crop. That's basically it. I just crop all these pictures together into one big picture. And next project. This is a poster about IDN teaching where I use three different pictures again, and I put them here, and also the fourth one, but there's not in this example. And this this project is the second project that I ever made in Figma. Was uh, it's very simple. It's actually an okay and decent example and of what you can do in the Figma. You can combine images and also crop them as you like. Basically, use all the simple features. Once you know basically 5 or 6 features in Figma. You can make anything that you want or you desire, I guess. So next project, merchandise. This is one of the better projects that I made myself. It is project merchandise. You can see how I progress, even though it's very little the picture here. But basically, I made also these posters are actually up and demoed in my other YouTube videos, and you can see them on my channel. Of course, this one is a very cool one, basically for Eid or Eid al Fitri, where I made a kind of uh, post-it note thing project merchandise. I don't really know what to call it, but basically it's a simple poster thing that you can split and make into a book and give money, put money inside it. Okay, that's basically it. But you can see the level up on design in the moss and stuff. And then the next project, this is just one of the thumbnails I made for my projects about robotics, and even though it's very low quality, you can see I've made things in Figma for my YouTube thumbnails. You can see the full thumbnail in my YouTube channel, of course, and this uses the same, almost the same features as before. It uses masking and stuff like that, and also just a lot of pictures that make it look good, even though you can't really see it now because it's so low quality. And I think that's about it for my presentation in well, in this class about UI UX. And as you can see, not UI, I mean Figma itself, not just the UI UX part, but basically you can make anything and anything you want. Simulate designs, you can make thumbnails, you can make merchandise only using Figma and knowing only a few features. Figma doesn't really have that many features itself, but those features that it has can be really good. Probably the downsides of Figma is that you can't really color grade that well, but it's actually decent. It's not bad at all. So that's basically it for my presentation. My name is Yani Farisipatidin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.